Hey ladies, I am back. I had to take a little mini vacation. The weather was beautiful, so I was out there enjoying it. All right, we are getting into some shrimp tacos today. Shrimp are a high protein, low calorie food, which is great for muscle maintenance. All right. What have you been doing this entire summer? Summer's gone by really fast, don't you think? It's just flying by. All right, let's get going. I'm going to start off with a nice flame. And I'm going to go and get my trusty cast iron pan, which I love. This sucker is heavy, let me tell you. Place it right down there on the flame. I am going to put a little bit of avocado oil in the bottom. Want to get that pan screaming hot because I want to make sure I get a really good sear on the shrimp, because I like my shrimp with color and I like it to be just slightly crispy, you know, just a little crispy on the outside. All right, I'm going to start getting going with a little bit of salt. Okay. That's some kosher salt that I'm laying down on that shrimp. I'm also going to go down with a little bit of chili powder. All right. Want to get the shrimp where they are flat down into the pan so I get a good sear. Put a little bit more chili powder on top of that. See how that shrimp is cooking up nice. I like cooking shrimp. I like cooking stuff in a one pot. I just don't like cleaning the stove after. Okay, going down there with a little bit of garlic powder. I didn't feel like chopping garlic today, but this is quick. This is my lunch. It's going to be super fast. Nothing too crazy. That's the kind of lunches we like. That's the kind of dinners we like. That's the kind of breakfast we like. All right. I see a little heat coming off that pan. Got a little sizzle going on that shrimp. Shrimp is a high protein, low calorie food, which is great for muscle maintenance because we're all about holding on to our muscle. All right, keep that metabolism up. All right, so I got some color on one side, so we're flipping it over here. Look at that, that looks beautiful. That's why I said lay them flat down into the pan. This sucker just doesn't want to move. All the way around, okay? And we're going to season some more on this side. Same thing, some salt. We're going to come down with a little bit of pepper. I didn't put pepper on the other side, but it doesn't matter. Sometimes I don't season on one side, but I'll season it on the other side. It's going to taste fabulous. Look at the color on that. I cannot get over that. Pretty good. Very nice. I'm going to shake it around a little bit because I like to be fancy. I think I'm a chef. I think in my next life when I come back, I'm coming back definitely as a chef. All right. Just checking and making sure the shrimp are cooked through, but not so much because you don't want them to be hockey pucks. And here we go. Shrimp also contains omega-3s, B12, selenium, and zinc, just to name a few other vitamins that's there. So we're going to start chopping them down because I want them to be bite-sized pieces when I put them inside my taco shells. And here I am thinking, be careful, Nia. Do not cut your fingers. I think I'm going to treat myself to a knife skills class. Be kind of fun and find the best safe way to get my knife skills up to par. All right, there we go. Bite-sized pieces right there, looking good. All right, here we are going with our taco shells, our shrimp, our avocado, our cheese, which is manchego cheese. That's what I am going to be using for today, and some greens for some crunch. You know, and some lemon for a little bit of brightness. So we're taking that first taco shell. So this taco shell, I just picked up what I had in my refrigerator, which was a corn taco. Now you can use any kind of shell you want to. You can use a soft shell as well. And I'm just putting a bed of greens down there, and I'm putting my shrimp, which I made bite-sized because those shrimps were kind of big. All right, and we're moving over onto our cheese and some avocado, which I have put a little bit of tahini on it to give it a little bit of color right there. All right. Now, I had some taco holders that I purchased from Amazon. I can't find them anywhere. I have no idea where they are. I hate when that happens. All right, getting ready for the next one. Now, when I grabbed the greens, I realized, oh my, I thought I had more than that inside. But, you know, it happens. Things are not perfect. And I decided to grab myself a spoon to make life a little easier for me. Okay. I am now going to be topping off with a little bit of, changed my mind, back to the spoon, some avocado, which is also very good for you. Healthy fats. It's delicious. You can also double as a hair conditioner. That's another video at another time. For somebody else that does beauty, but that's not me. All right, now we're popping on our cheese, and we are going to lay it out onto our plate. Now, take a peek. How does that look? Not bad, right? Not bad at all. It's quick, it's fast, it's lunch. So, I want to brighten up a little bit, so I'm going to add a little bit more lemon. All right. I like a lot of lemon, actually. I didn't have any limes. I would have put limes on it. And no salsa today because I don't have time for that, but I do have time for sriracha. I love sriracha. I like a little spice, not too much heat, but a little heat. All right, we're grabbing a lemon wedge on there because we want to make it look nice, of course, for you. There you go. All right. Heading on over, and I'm hungry. Let's see how this tastes. Oh, yeah. It's definitely good. Packed with flavor, and like I said, it was quick, it was easy. And I'm adding a little bit more lemon because, like I said, I like lemon. That was a lot of fun. Okay, people, I am back. I'm coming back to you. Had a little bit of a refresh. My battery is charged. Ready to get back to making videos. Hope you enjoyed this one. Like, share, subscribe. Have a good one. See you soon.